Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You have already watched my 4 videos about the syllabus of Master in English of Punjab University and Sargodha University. In this video, I am going to share with you the tips to follow for the people who want to get master degree in English literature. Dear viewers, in our society, there is a lot of fear that master in English is too difficult. I assure you, it is very easy to get master degree in English. If you plan, if you act upon the tips I am going to share with you, these talks will be very easy. English language is not our native language, it is a second language. Though to learn second language, it is somewhat hard but not impossible. So let us move to the tips I wanted to share with you. First one is be confident. So don't have fears that you can do MA English. I assure you, you can do everything. You can do master degree and inshallah you will do. Your fear is your worst enemy. If you have fears, your confidence level will decrease automatically. So improve your confidence, be confident, it will finish your fear automatically. My second tip is avoid negativity. You might have some failures in your past, your unfulfilled desires, your unfulfilled tasks make you somewhat negative. So leave your past, focus your future. I assure you, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. Your future is very bright and you will get success inshallah. The other thing I want to share with you, also avoid the company of negative people. They always discourage you. Their negative statements make you negative. If they give any negative statement, make yourself deaf against their statement. Company of negative people will drain your energy and your spirit. So avoid their company and make deaf yourself against their negative statements. My next tip is set your goal. Your goal is to get master degree in English. This is your long-term goal. There might be some short-term goals. Divide your work on daily basis, achieve your daily tasks and set your weekly tasks and set your monthly goals. In this way, gradually and very easily, you will get your long-term goal, that is to get master degree in English. My next point is improve reading skill. In master in English, you are to study many books, your syllabus books and your reference books. There are many teachers or institutions they suggest to prepare from notes. I always advise my students, read thoroughly, read your textbooks, reference books, because reading makes you perfect. Reading increases your knowledge. So believe me, there is no right road to success. There is no shortcut to success. Work hard, Read thoroughly the books. This reading will make you confident and increase your knowledge. As you get knowledge, you become more confident. My next step is detect your weak areas. Dear students, in this world, no one is perfect. No one is ideal. Every person has his own weaknesses in his personality. The first thing is detect your weak points. And the next step is and address them. You might be irregular, unpunctual, doing your tasks. You might procrastinate your tasks. This is the worst enemy of to achieving your task. So adopt good habits. These good habits will establish your elegant personality. Avoid bad habits. Get up early in the morning. Have some exercise. Take walks. Use good quality food. And work hard. Good habits always establish your personality, and bad habits always spoil your personality. So it is up to you what you want to do. My next last step is trust in Allah Almighty. Believe me, Allah does not waste your hard work. He will reward your hard work in any shape. Trust Him and trust in your ability, because you have talent, you are talented, you can do everything, you can get your goal. It is a confidence that will give you success, inshallah. Dear viewers, subscribe my channel so that you can have my upcoming videos. I hope my upcoming videos will be very helpful for the students who want to get master degree in English. So like my video, share it with others. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.